Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt ice pops using an easy method. These delightful treats are perfect for a hot day and require just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite yogurt, 1 cup of fresh fruit, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. Make sure your ice pop molds are clean and ready to go for a smooth process. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get blending. Pour your 2 cups of yogurt into a blender, add your 1 cup of chosen fruit, and then drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. Blend everything together until it's perfectly smooth and has a consistent texture. Give it a quick taste test to ensure it's just right for your palate before moving on. With your delicious mixture ready, it's time to fill those molds. Pour the yogurt blend carefully into each ice pop mold, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Then, gently insert a wooden stick into the center of each pop. Place the filled molds into your freezer and let them chill for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. Patience is key for perfectly frozen treats. Once your yogurt ice pops are completely frozen, it's time for the best part, enjoying them. To easily remove them from the molds, run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull on the stick, and your delicious homemade ice pop should slide right out. These are best enjoyed fresh, so grab one and savor the moment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.